10th class. Now we are talking about the purification of method. Obviously we concentrated metal earlier, so we know that there were so many impurities, and now we want to get pure form of metal. First, purification of metal, two types of purification is there. One is the physical process, another is the chemical process. In physical process there is two type. One is the liquefaction. This is sloping earth. It is like this only, okay? The diagram is not given here, I am showing you. This is a sloping earth. What you will do, you will melt here the metal, the liquid metal will flow off and the residue will remain here over the sloping fork. This process is known as liquefaction. Now we are coming in the zone refining process. In the zone refining process, there is a cylindrical rod and it is a heater, okay? Electrical heater it is. This process is used to purify gold, silver and platinum. In this metal you are seeing it is a cylindrical and it is impure cylindrical metal, impure metal it is, okay? Placed within a circular heater. Now we start heater from one end to another end of cylinder. A narrow zone of metal melt. This is the narrow zone, it will start melting. A narrow zone of metal melt, the heat and melting containing the impurities. This is melting and containing the impurities which moving along with heater, which is moving along with heater. What is moving along with heater? Impurities is moving along with heater. The other end of this rod, the cylindrical rod, while the pure metal solidified. The pure matter is being solidified. This is pure metal and the impurities is going with heater from one end to another end. We will repeat this method again and again and form a pure form of crystal metal. This process is known as zone refining process, okay? You just see one very important thing, that is the impurities of metal will move towards the back side, okay, of that cylindrical method, and impurities will always be with the heater. This is very important one, okay? The second process of purification is chemical method. If you want to get ultra pure metal, you have to use a method of electrolysis. What is happening in electrolysis? We have taken a big pot. This pot is containing electrolytes such as copper sulfate, whatever you want, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate. Which metal you want to purify, you have to take the same ionic solution, okay? One electrode is known as cathode, which is always be negative, and other electrode which will be positive. This one is a impure copper and this is a pure copper, okay? As you connect with the circuit and start flowing of electricity, the electrolyte will get ionized and the pure form of copper will stuck over this cathode in the reducing form. As the anode is also dissolving, the copper ion is again moving towards the cathode, and the impurities which remain under the anode, and it is considered as a anode mud, and this process is known as electrolysis. What was there? One cathode, one anode. It is thicker, it is thinner, it is impure, it is pure. Then there is an electrolyte of copper sulfate. As you connect the circuit, the electrolysis process is started. The pure copper ion started reducing and stucking over the cathode, and the impure anode, when it started dissolving, the pure copper is again coming towards the cathode and impurities remain under the anode. This process, this impurities is known as anode mud, and this process is known as electrolysis, okay?